Hello everyone, and hope you're well. So today is a get ready with me. It's just a really quick, easy summer makeup tutorial. This is what I've been doing every day. It's just really quick, holds up really well in the heat. It's just sort of fresh skin, bit of highlight, bit of something on the eyes, you know, and pink lips, and away you go. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and
cleanse my skin with my VEN. And I've gone in with my Skin Longevity by Bare Minerals. I love this. I've got a whopping big 50ml bottle now, so I'm so pleased with that. And I'm going to go in now with my Skin Health Eclipse Smart Tone SPF 50. This is nearly finished. I always use this as my, obviously my SPF, but also as my primer because it works. It has a built-in primer in it. So, you know I love and adore this stuff. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix in a bit of Complexion Rescue and a bit of the Bare Pro together, just to give it a bit of slip. Now I do about 1 pump of the Bare Pro, and I've got this in the shade Warm Natural 12, and I've got to say, this has been a really nice combo. Complexion Rescue in Natural 5, and I do a squeeze, just a squeeze like that. I'm going to mix them on the back of my hand and just apply like so. My beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend in. I'm going to set with Bare Minerals Original in medium beige. I find that this looks amazing over something, over a CC cream, over foundation. Yeah, it just does something like magical, like I can't even. So when I just start buffing from the edge, and I actually just take one bit and I just go around and buff my foundation with this brush because it's got such a soft pad there that it just smooths everything out, and I just love just to buff everything in so it's nice and smooth. Then I like to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, which is Running Low, oh my giddy aunt, and I'll tell you, this works amazing over Bare Minerals, like it really does, like oh my god. So take my wet sponge, wet damp, and just blend in. And over the eyes as well, because you can use it as an eye base. Then I set everything with Mineral Veil, because Mineral Veil makes a huge difference. Believe me, I've done this where I've not used it, and my makeup is just sort of wiped off. You know, it just helps to just keep everything in place, but it smooths everything out. I use it to set my under eye concealer because, you know, sometimes we can't be bothered to do extra stuff. Oh, why does these bits of hair keep flipping in my face? Good grief. And down the neckage. My Ambient Lighting bronzer. This is that beautiful brow kit that I love to use. I just use my stencil. I'm going with the Naked 3, and I'm just going to use that goldy colour Trick. I always use this. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a liner, liquid liner, Lash Domination, and I'm going to attempt to line my eyes. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I've got new eyelash curlers. These are the Shiseido ones and they are brilliant. And you know why they're so good? Because they don't have a hard clamp down, so you're not over clamping, and like you can hardly press, but they curl the lashes amazingly. My Lash Paradise primer. And obviously go over the top with the primer. And it just really makes those lashes big. I'm not really going to put blush. I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Bare Radiance in Bare. Because it's just a lovely bronzy colour. And I just feel it just lifts the skin. This is discontinued, by the way. Oh, I found this in TK Maxx. Such a find. But it gives that really nice, I like to put it all over my face, to be honest. You know, it just gives that really nice boost of colour, basically. And then I'm going to use my new lipstick. It's the Nicki Minaj Viva Nicki, whatever, I think. It's not new, but I really like the colour. And it's called Nicki's Nude. And I think I swatched this on my Instagram and I thought it was quite brown. When I put it on, I was like, yes, it's pink. It's a really, like, nice, it's such a nice pink nude. And you can just wear it on its own. Oh, I forgot highlight. I'm going to go with the Delilah. I went through a phase where I stopped wearing highlight for a while, and then I was like, oh my God, are you crazy? Wear it, wear it. Cupid's bow. Sometimes, I tell you what, sometimes I don't want it to be too sort of like, what do you call it? Precise. I kind of just want it like a stain. So I do this. And it just makes it a bit more lived in. As opposed to, yeah. And it just gives it a kind of diffused, because for during the day, I don't really want to be like, you know, I don't know. So yes, oh gosh, and then we're going to spray with our finishing spray. This is the matte finish. I love this. And I took a break and used the Urban Decay one. This is so much better, like seriously. And it's half the price. Love it. And there you go. It's another one. It's a really easy makeup. It's really quick. It looks great in the heat, and it holds up really well. And I just, that's just what I've been doing really every day and quite enjoying it. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you've got any questions, of course, leave them down below. I think I've covered everything. I'll list everything I've used. Please subscribe, like if you're new and you enjoyed the video, and make sure you hit the notification bell. Otherwise, you might not see if I've got a new video. So there you go. Enjoy the sunshine if you're in the UK, because, you know, sunshine's rare over here. So yes, hope you're well. Take care. Bye.